Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You must begin in safe mode to repair system issues. First, power off the console fully and wait about 10 seconds so capacitors discharge. Next, press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This forces safe mode. Make sure your controller is connected via USB, then press the PS button to wake it. You'll see a simple menu. Once done, you're ready to choose recovery options that address software corruption and database issues. You'll now execute specific safe mode options to fix the problem. Start with Restart PS5 if you need a quick check. It's fast and non-destructive. If problems persist, choose Rebuild Database to scan the drive and reorganize files. This fixes corrupted indexes and can recover lost saves in some cases. For persistent or severe system corruption, choose the option to reinstall system software. This requires a USB with official firmware, so prepare that file from another device before proceeding. You're at the final step, reboot and verify. After any safe mode action, restart the PS5 and test key functions, load a game, check network, and confirm account sign-in. If you reinstalled firmware, make sure the USB used was formatted to FAT32/XFAT and the file path is PS5/update/PS5update. PUP. Incorrect naming prevents install. If problems continue, or you hear unusual drives or fan noise, stop and contact Sony support or a certified repair service to avoid causing further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.